7 home remedies for bug bites that itch and swell. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 home remedies for bug bites that itch and swell. So if you're ready, let's go. From a pesky itch to annoying bumps on your skin, bug bites and stings often leave behind their mark for several days. However, I bet you have a few things like home remedies that you didn't even know about in your home right now that'll help make things a little less irritating when it comes to bug bites. So here are 7 home remedies for bug bites that may be itching and swelling. Number 1, lavender essential oil. If you ever taken a big whiff of lavender, you know instantly how calming it can be. Well, it's equally calming on inflamed and irritated bug bites too. It's known for its ability to soothe inflammatory skin conditions including minor burns, wounds, and also acne. Lavender essential oil works great to help reduce the itching and inflammation within minutes of application. Simply apply 1 to 2 drops directly on the affected area, and you can reapply this 2 to 3 times a day. Number 2, aloe vera. We all know that aloe vera is known for soothing sunburns, but it also works wonders for easing the sting and itch of bug bites. When applied directly to the bite, the cooling action of the aloe vera gel will help shrink swelling and reduce the itch. For this remedy, simply apply some aloe to your bug bites, and you can do this 2 to 3 times daily. Number 3, apple cider vinegar. We all know that apple cider vinegar is used in a lot of different home remedies, but I bet you did not know it's great for bug bites because of its low acidic levels. For this remedy, simply dab a little bit of apple cider vinegar with a cotton pad on your individual bug bites. Now, if you've been a buffet for bugs, you can add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to a bath and simply soak in the tub. And you can use ACV for your bug bites 2 to 3 times a day if you're just directly putting it on your bug bites. Number 4, ice. Ice helps to soothe a lot of different things, and bug bites are no different. A single ice cube can constrict the blood vessels and decrease the body's natural histamine release. And this means less itching and swelling for you. And you can also use a gel-filled ice pack. This works great and keeps things less messy when it comes to the ice melting. Now, if you don't have an ice gel pack, you can use good old-fashioned ice cubes. Just wrap them in a paper towel, a heavy-duty paper towel, or a washcloth. And you might have an old compress laying around. They all work great. Number 5, tea bags. Yep, believe it or not, cool tea bags work great for bug bites. They draw the fluid out of the bite and reduce itching and swelling. To do this remedy, simply brew a cup of tea, and when you're done using the tea bag, let it cool for a few minutes. Then apply the bag to your bug bite. You can also put the used tea bag in the refrigerator and use it at a later time if you want to. Now, will you look a little weird doing this? Maybe, but trust me, the tea bag method works wonders for bug bites, bee stings, and any other kind of insect bites. Number 6, basil leaves. This spice isn't just limited to the kitchen. I bet you didn't know that basil leaves contain chemicals such as camphor, which creates a cooling feeling similar to menthol in toothpaste. For the basil leaf method, all you need to do is crush or grind up a few basil leaves and apply it directly to your bug bites. And number 7, oatmeal. You probably have some oatmeal laying around in your pantry somewhere, but you may never have thought to use it on bug bites. As it turns out, oatmeal provides healing, moisturizing, and antioxidant properties for the skin, making it one of the best home remedies for bug bites. Oatmeal can relieve itching and reduce swelling after getting bit by bugs. Simply mix some oatmeal with some water and create a paste, then apply it directly to your bug bites. After applying, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe off or wash off with warm water. And if you don't want to go the oatmeal paste route, you can use oatmeal in a bath, and they also sell oatmeal bath powder in most grocery stores. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 7 home remedies for bug bites that itch and swell. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to click the link in the description and or the pinned comment head on over to our blog and get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies inside of it. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to get a lot of value out of it. And if you wouldn't mind, please like and share this video with your family and friends. This helps us out a lot here, and it helps us keep giving you information on home remedies, natural cures, and all kinds of other good stuff. And as always, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am uploading videos 3 times a week now. And if you're that bored and you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.